Hello viewers, you are welcome to our channel once again. It's me, Chinedu, your presenter. Yes, today I decided to show my face because of the importance of what we are about to discuss, because I prefer to call it discussion, though I am the one presenting it, but it's discussion because of interactions that we are having. There is this video I saw online. It's a thought-provoking video, sort of, though it's not, the message there is not new, because we have had some countless number of people saying something like that. I'm going to present that video so that you watch it and let's hear your comments. Why I decided to present this video is because of the importance of it, and it's a thought-provoking video, sort of. I, for one, I don't want to say much until you watch the video. And secondly, this video is done by somebody. His name is Bovo, according to his name, the name he goes with, comedian Bovo. The guy seems to be a comedian, but I don't know if the message is for comedy or is for reality. I know why I leave it at that, because seeing his name, comedian Bovo, it has something, an undertone. But I want you to watch the video with me. Let's have some discussions from what he has said. This message has come from people that are not comedian, but this one I'm presenting to you is coming from a comedian, like his name goes, and I'm sure a mad person walking on the street has also passed this message. So, but never mind, let's watch this video. Another thing that I will attach is that this Bovo, from the name, it sounds like somebody from Edo State. No, he's not an Igbo man to start with. So now, why I thought of presenting this video to my viewers is because I know that I have a lot of Nigerians as subscribers, and Easterners in particular. This message is not limited to only Easterners. Others are also invited to participate in the discussion. Me, I don't care what's the idea of passing a law, because in that message he made mention of that Lagos wants to pass a law that will favor only Yorubas or only Lagosians. That one is not my issue, because the law is not passed yet. So why not wait until the law is passed? Then if you have, something to say, then the person can then say it. Because I know that Yorubas themselves or Lagosians themselves, them too have property they established somewhere else, if not abroad or somewhere else in Africa. So without wasting much time, let's listen to this message. And don't forget to, subscribe to this channel, Yanga Life, and then like this video. Don't forget to share it, and let's hear your comment about this video. Thank you as you do that. Let's go.
Igbo people, Uton, Una the Kanu do first want Una. Stop building businesses in your enemy state. People when not like Una, when not they happy with Una success. When they see Una progress like this, body go they back them. Una go still go they develop their state. You leave your eastern region, go they build Lagos. When you know say Yoruba people not like Una. They don't already declare Una years ago as enemy. But Una no know. Right now, Lagos state government won't pass into law on how they will take deal with all Igbos when get businesses and personal house for Lagos. Listen, let me read it for you. Lagos belongs to Yorubas. Lawmakers will pass new property business ownership law favoring only indigenes. You dey hear am? Only indigenes. They won't pass law when go favor only Yoruba people. If you know you are not a Yoruba man or a Yoruba woman, this law will definitely affect you negatively. That's to tell you that Yoruba people not send you. They don't care to know whether you are progressing in their state or not. They find different means to chase all of Una away from Lagos. I don't know why they say federal government choose to work with all these Yoruba people. That was the major reason why federal government put seaport in Lagos. Majority of the big businesses, federal government go land and put for Lagos. Now, crime say federal government open wharf for Anambra, open seaport for Onitsha. Igbo people, they manufacture different things like clothes, shoes, handbag, eyeglass, face cap, different things. Yet, government never one day invest put for their career. Anything that will bring development to the east, government they make sure say they are jacka, make development not go east. We there for year they begin to carry airline they enter east. Where they suppose don't they east long before now. Majority of the businesses in Alaba International Market are being owned by the Igbos, not only in Lagos. Igbo men and women are busy developing different states. Where did they pay me pass? They live eastern region. When they suppose develop, go they develop their enemy state. If you still go north, you go see Igbo men get bigger businesses for north. Forgetting that northern people and Yoruba people don't already declare them as enemies. But so many Igbos are too blind to see. People will not like you. People will not love you. People will get better bad belly against Una. Now Una still go to invest for their land. This is to tell you that government is solidly behind them. Even when Oluomo threatened all the Igbos in Lagos during election period, say any Igbo man or woman will come outside go collect. Up to today, he not get anything when they do Oluomo. But assuming say na Igbo man made that statement, therefore don't deal with them. Law is only meant to deal with Igbo people. But if na northern person or Yoruba person talk like that, they are always free. It can't be like say some tribes in Nigeria are more favorable accepted more than Igbos. Where the Igbo people do now for this country? Now Igbo man say make una people not serious for life. Igbo man when serious, oh God, did they pay me? Igbo man when drink garlic sleep get plan. That they utilize their brain, that they develop everywhere. Instead of the government to be appreciative to all Igbo women and men for building Nigeria with their own money. Assuming Dangote na Igbo man, by now they for don't follow. Remember say Dangote Smith, is there among the people when fall Ibeto Smith? Assuming say Dangote na Igbo man, by now they for don't they plan they want to follow. That is how they always like to treat other tribes, to favor Igbo people or Northern people. All my Igbo brothers and sisters, it's time for you all to team up together. Go and develop your eastern region. Yoruba people don't like you. They are so full of jealousy spirit. Now me talking. I said it before on my last video. When cute Abiola take through word, give 98% of people when they do rant, when they do prank, when they do blind date. He said that they do fake something. I let you know say all these Yoruba people are so full of jealousy spirit. So persons come they attack me for comment section. Me, what I know now you they attack me for. Una when be say una jealousy spirit. Una use as what brother here. Una know they use as say another tribes they progress among una. Una begin they fire una want to bring her down. You think say they fear una. Now so na be. Only few persons for that Yoruba land. Now they get better spirit. Very few. And the few persons won't get better spirit. Who are Yorubas? Just no say they not grow for Yoruba land. They are too tribalistic. What are you people planning to do? You want to eradicate Igbo people and other tribes away from Lagos. Lagos belongs to the government. It's hard time for the government to know that all tribes in Nigeria are one. You have to unite them. The earlier the better. If you want Nigeria to be peaceful, you have to unite everybody. Not be say you will come the pull lot of favor only indigenous. When we are one Nigerians. Abi Yoruba get their own filling station where they for the back way, where they sell for only Yoruba people. All filling station, all bakery, all nightclubs. Now different tribes they go patronize them. Why it can't be say una want put law where go favor only Yoruba? Since una want put that law, make una create company where only Yoruba people go to work. Igbo people go see get their own. You will build hospital where people say they will they treat only Yoruba people. They treat only Igbo people. Let's separate Igbo from Yoruba since that is what you want. Igbo people said they want to go to their separate ways because of the way government they treat them. Yet government handcuff all of them. They say lala to lala. Una know if you go. Since you choose to treat them like slaves, allow them go. Allow them go. Since you choose to treat them like slaves. Since you don't want to treat them like your brothers and sisters. Since you don't want us to be one, allow them go. This thing they vex me. Make sure you share this with you. All Igbo brothers and sisters, go to the east. Go and invest there. That's where you belong to. All these people not like you. Share this video. Rubbish.
Fools. Yes, Bravo, Mr. Bro.
Okay, viewers, you are welcome back. Now you are done watching this video. Let's hear what you think about this video. The guy, comedian Bovo, he talks about two major things that distract me so much. He talked about Easterners should go back to the East and develop the East. And I'm sure that this is not the first time that message is being dropped. Of recent times, people are dropping that message constantly. That is one thing that caught my attention. I don't know what is happening. Why are people dropping these messages up and down? From the Easterners, from outside the East, we all know about this message. And him also, that is not from the East, is dropping this message. Is it that he's trying to look for, viewers or traffic or something? Or is he talking about the reality on ground? I don't want to make my opinion, look superior So I want you viewers to say your mind and let's hear it. Okay? Then secondly, though I said I wouldn't take that so much serious, he talked about, the laws that the Lagos State government is about to pass and so many things. Okay, so be it. If the Lagos State, they have the right to pass some laws under concurrent list, they can do that, except if it is against the exclusive list, then that is where the problem comes in. So, but like I said, I don't want to take that so much serious until such laws is being passed, and then people can have something to say about it. Okay, so that is my own thinking, my own suggestion about it. So then he said other things also, of which I might take that, okay, he's a comedian. Comedians can say anything in the guise of comedy. So let us analyze these things that he has said. If you are interested, if you feel that the message, has something to do with you and somebody from the East, let's share this message. And even if you are not from the East, let's hear your thoughts also. Thank you as you do that. Bye for now.